No spoilers.
Yes, yes. So we got to see a different side of Batman, and it kind of made me be like, oh.
I think she's just so fascinated with being so high. Say hi.
You see bubbles? She make me shine. She make me know say this is mine.
What?
Bubbles. She make me kind. Take out my credit card till it decline. You see bubbles?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go real, go big, go bless, go bright. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. In the world so dark, we're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.
When I was younger, they used to trouble me say I have chicken chest. Fast forward about 20 years later, and I'm going to the gym because of that one thing in my head. Don't have chicken chest. Watch my workout.
Come on, come.
I'm making pedestrian craft. It's a long line, school children. We're starting that fast. Now go back to TV. Robert, now fast. What's the long term? Excuse me now. Come on. Come on, Robert. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on, Robert. Come on, Robert. Look at me. Look at me. Come on, Robert. Come on, Robert. No, stop me. You got this, Robert. Press.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world.
Put in the work. Put in the work. Summer body 2022 loading.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go real, go big, go bless, go bright. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile,
All you. All you. One more. Oh. Well done.
man still got it, right? Eh? That's sharp. Yo, the man still got it. Come on. Don't I never know this. Easy squeeze, alright. 2. Come on. 3. 4. Come on. 5. 1 more. 6. Oh man. Good. Man.
That's 6. 2 more. 1 more. Go on like you need help.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So let me see it now. Let me see it now. Bubbles. You see when me see my bubbles, me know say I'm going to be in some good trouble. Because when bubbles come out, she make every pout disappear and every smile appear. Because bubbles, when she move her waist and she make me wait and she test me faith and she make me have faith, then me know say me about to go to the pearly gates.
Aye!
You see bubbles? She make me shine. She make me know say this is mine.
What?
Bubbles? She make me kind. Take out my credit card till it decline. You see bubbles? Oh, my shirt. Done.
Okay, money.
Well, we have to wake up in the neighbors to put on the silencer. No star.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian.
Almost done.
Stuff from the cuffs,
No.
stuff from the cuffs.
Specially invited guests and friends, good evening. It is a pleasure to welcome you to the release and exclusive viewing of Batman 2022 movie. Both Oreo and Batman are iconic brands which have
It had me on my toes, I wish I could say. It was riveting, it was engaging, and oh my goodness, it has totally blown all the Batmans I've watched before out the park, because you got to see so many different, and without giving anything away.
No, no spoilers.
Yes, we got to see a different side of Batman, and kind of made me be like, oh, I wish I could
Does
probably
him
do
seem
this.
vulnerable, right?
Very vulnerable.
I've never
and
seen that side of him before.
I don't think any of us has ever seen that side of him, but you know, it has really shown, and I think it ties into the time that we're in today, you know, kind of just rising from the ashes, rising from the rubble, and so I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm here with my husband,
Hey, husband.
and we thoroughly enjoyed it.
How was it?
It was good.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks fam. On the road. We outside. We're having a road trip. We're heading to the beach, we hope. It's a bit cloudy, so we hope it's not raining. But Bria and Bella are excited about going to the beach. And this was all planned by Mrs. C. She didn't tell me that we're heading out. We have to live life and get some time for peace of mind. Where's Bella? Bella gone. You guys excited? We don't even know where we're going because some of the beaches have disappeared. Not the water but the sand. So let's see. And as Mrs. Cofford say, come along for the journey. If YES is yes, what is EYES? EYES. Think about it. Spell it out and tell me what EYES is. Write it out. Write it in your mind. Write it. Pretend that you're writing it and tell me what it is again. What are these? What are these?
Eyes.
So EYES is what?
Eyes.
You got it wrong first.
Hey.
Hey Bella. Having fun, Bria? What a cold man.
It's not cold, Dad.
Cold.
It's not.
Cold. I have to stay dry for if the girls want to dry their hands in my clothes.
This is Bella's first horse ride. Bria has been on it before. And Brian has been on it many times before. That's Bella. Look at Bella. Bella just looking down. I think she's just so fascinated with being so high. Say hi. Yeah. Come dead last. Hey, good job.
Yeah, come here, sir. I don't want to festival. This is live.
Daddy Brian burying Bella. What? Come, Bella.
I can't move a little single thing.
Whoop.
Wait, get my hair touching.
Bella making her contribution. Bella, what is your contribution to the cause? What's your contribution?
What do you mean? What is contribution?
Yeah, Bella. Bella really bring the water that binds it together.
Ah, look at that sunset. Woo. This is what life is all about. Making memories.
Bella, there's nothing in your hand.
Bella, don't go so far. Look what's in Bella's hand. That's her contribution.
Hello.
Go for some.
What's that? Just water. You don't need the water.
How much water is over here?
Tired.